that time how to use my body language? मैं अपने दोनों हाथों को ऐसे अंदर रखूं? नहीं यार, ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. ऐसे लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा नर्वस हूँ. ऐसे बाहर निकाल लेती हूँ, बाहर निकालू या फिर ऐसे पॉकेट में रख लेती हूँ, वो और अच्छा लगेगा ज्यादा. And so many things. Firstly, my dear friends, leave it all things. You follow only that posture, which posture you feel comfortable. Because so many people says that you don't keep your hand in your pocket because this is the sign of nervousness and so many things. Now you all people know about Tony Robbins. And he is person when talk to you, another person when you speak front of people. So that time, keep your hand in your pocket. So firstly you tell me, Tony Robbins when talk to you, another people when you speak front of people. So that time, feel so uncomfortable. Don't look so confident. Obviously look confident. So firstly you tell me, what's the thing is more important? Follow all ethics. Yes, speak front of people full on confidence. Which things is more important? Obviously speak full on confidence front of people. These things is more important. And in the other side, if you see lots of celebrity, so they people only follow that posture, which posture they people feel comfortable, and then talk to you another people. Firstly, I want to say all people, you don't try to copy anyone. Only follow that posture, which posture you feel comfortable. Because when you feel comfortable, then you speak front of people very easily and full on confidence. And if you feel uncomfortable, hesitate, so your focus on your body language. And so many thoughts come in your mind. My body language right now and so many things. So follow only that posture, which posture you feel comfortable, because that time your focus only one place. What I am speaking in front of audience and anything else. And second things, when you go on the stage, when you talk to you other people and you go anywhere, so that time you wear comfortable clothes. Because most of people says that when you go on the stage, when you talk to you another people and if you want to influence people, so that time you should wear fit cloth. But this is not right according to me. Because if you wear fit clothes, so all the time focus only your clothes, you feel uncomfortable of that time. You don't feel comfortable. And firstly you tell me, when you don't feel comfortable, so your focus all the time in your clothes, not to talk to you front of people. So how you feel comfortable, how you talk to you very confidently front of people, and how you influence front of people. So firstly tell me, so when you go anywhere on the stage, interview and any place, so wear only comfortable clothes. Then you're focused only front of people. What I'm talk to you front of people, what I'm saying front of people. So that time don't divert your mind. I think this is very very powerful for you. If you think that yeah, this knowledge is very powerful for me, this is very beneficial for me, so say yes in the comment down below. I'm waiting for your comment. So thank you so much.